In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pro gallery to your Wix website. Adding a pro gallery is a fantastic way to showcase your images and even videos in a sleek and professional manner, enhancing the visual appeal of your site. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. This is where the magic happens, giving you access to all the tools you need to enhance your website. Once you're there, look for the Add button on your left toolbar. This is where you can access all the different elements that can be added to your page. Next, you'll want to click on Add Elements. This opens up a menu with a wide variety of items you can include on your site. From the list, find the option labeled Gallery. Clicking on it will present you with different gallery types. Once you click on Gallery, select Pro Galleries. This gives you access to a collection of pre-designed galleries that are not only customizable but also optimized for a professional look and feel. Browse through the options and choose a pro gallery design that complements the overall aesthetic of your website. Once you've found one you like, click on it to add it to your page. After your pro gallery is added, click on it to select it, then look for the Manage Media button. This is where you'll edit the content of your gallery, allowing you to add, remove, or rearrange images or videos. Clicking on Manage Media will open a window where you can make these adjustments. To remove any unwanted images, click on the three dots next to an image and select Remove. If you want to add new media, click on Add Media and then choose Image from the available options. Then, select the image or video you want to include in your gallery. Don't forget to hit Add to Page after you've made your selections to ensure they appear on your site. Once you've curated your gallery, click Done to save your changes. Now, head back to your gallery and click Settings. This opens up additional customization options. Here you'll see three main tabs: Layout, Design, and a General Settings tab, each with its own set of options. Under Layout, you can adjust how your images are displayed, such as changing the grid style or adjusting spacing. Moving on to Settings, you can toggle options like autoplay for slideshows or image protection to prevent downloads. Lastly, on the Design tab, you have creative control over the gallery's appearance. This includes options for customizing colors, fonts, and borders that align with your site's theme. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can add a pro gallery to your Wix website, creating an eye-catching display that draws visitors in and enhances their overall experience.